Farmer Dre back at it. Today, it's a cold day, but we are starting seeds for the 2022 tomato season. Out here in the greenhouse, I'm gonna go ahead and fill up the pots and seed them in here, and then we're gonna be taking them inside in our little utility closet where I've been growing tomatoes in there for the past 5 years, and that's where we're gonna go ahead and grow the tomato seeds out. The greenhouse here is a little bit of a mess. We haven't really cleaned it up, but it's not gonna stop us from starting tomatoes. And we're only starting 5 trays, so it's not that big of a deal. So this year with tomatoes, I wanna make things a little different. I'm gonna do a series, so on every single tomato video, I'm gonna put episode 1, 2, 3, and then at the end of the season, I can make a playlist of all the tomato steps from starting seeds to harvest, just to make things in chronological order, just to make things easier and simple, and to keep things a little more organized. I know over the past few years, just make tomato videos and name them something, and then I try to go back and try to find them, trying to show a customer or a viewer that video, and I can't seem to find that specific video. So I feel like if I do this in chronological order, from step 1 all the way down to harvest and to picking, and every single step will be in order of the episodes of whatever we're going in. So that's the plan, and we will see how that turns out. But today is starting seeds. I'm gonna go ahead and fill the pots, potting soil, germination, and talk all about that. What I'm gonna be using today is these are 105 plug trays here that they're good, just solid plug trays. And then I have our regular potting mix, but this year I'm gonna go ahead and try a seed starter, and it's just an organic seed starter here, premium potting mix here. See how this works out. It doesn't have any of the thick perlite or the thick chunks in there. It's just a solid, nice seed starter mix. So that's what I'm gonna be using to start my seeds. So the first step is to fill up your trays of soil. So in our first greenhouse, we fit around 425, 450 tomato plants. So that's what I'm gonna be starting today. So it's gonna be 5 trays of tomato seeds, so about 500 plants. And you got to take in consideration the ones that don't germinate. Even though in years past I've had a really good germination rate, the way I do it in our closet there, in the utility closet, I've had 99% germination one year. Out of an entire tray, 1 seed didn't germinate, so that's pretty good. So I still always start a bunch of extras just in case. You never know. And the worst thing is to not have enough tomato plants. Alrighty, so once the trays are filled, the one thing I learned is you want to go ahead and wet them now before you put the seeds in. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab a hose and then soak these really well. Alright, so once you get them wet, what I do is just get another tray here and put it on top of it and just kind of push it down a little bit until you get, I don't know, about a 3/8 to 1/2 inch deep there. You don't want to go too deep because then the seeds will take a while to germinate. But yeah, just like that. That is perfect right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that on all of them. Push down, just push down evenly throughout the entire thing here, so you can have a little bit of room so you can put the seed in. Once your trays are full, you want to go ahead and make sure they're nice and moist, pretty heavy. And now you get your seeds. And I'm gonna be planting 4 trays of red deuce, half a tray Carolina Gold, and that's it. Seeds, red deuce tomato seeds right here. Just like that. Open up the seed packet. Nice and easy. These are kind of tiny here. They're not coated seeds. They're just colors. They got some whatever you call it, some fungicides and protective on the seeds there. So you just grab one seed and pop it in there. Real fast, real easy. You gotta do this 400 times, but it's not too bad. Alright, so these are Carolina Golds here. And these are coated with lime, so they're going to be a lot easier to place inside the cells here. So, alrighty, so now that all the seeds are in there, these are the Carolina Golds right here. I'm just gonna grab a little bit of potting soil and cover the top here, and we should be good to go to take them inside. Alrighty, so I went ahead and moved in the seeds in our utility closet here. This is the classic utility closet. My 5th year starting tomatoes in here. And as you can see here, Marsh Hydro did send me a new grow light this year. This is a 4-foot grow light. As you can see here, it's going to grow good. So they're sending it to me so I can test it out. And I said if you guys want this exact same grow light, you guys can use a link down in the description box below to Marsh Hydro's to a website, and there's gonna be a promo code down there where you guys can get a discount if you guys want this exact same grow light. I did use the smaller one last year, which it worked wonders, and I really liked it, so they go ahead and send me this one. So if you guys want this exact same grow light, go and check out the link to their website, and yeah, go and check it out. So in here I got the heater and the table, the grow light, and that's about it. The temperature is going to be about 90 degrees. I still got to get a thermometer here so I can measure the temperatures to make sure the temperature is right. And keep it about 90 degrees until they do germinate. And then whenever they get done germinating, I'll keep it about 72 degrees in here until they're ready to go inside the greenhouse so I can transplant them to bigger pots. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on the steps to take after they germinate. But this is the process of starting your seed. The potting soil you need, the trays you need, the seed you need. And if you guys would like the exact same seeds, pots, and potting soil, go in and check out FarmerDreSupply.com. The link will be in the description box below. You guys can find all the supplies that I use here on our farm. You guys can have the exact same on your operation. So this is going to be it for today. If you guys have any other questions about starting seeds and putting them in a grow room, your germination room, go ahead and leave me a comment down below. I will try to respond to that and be more proactive in that department. But it's going to be it for today. There's not much to it. Now we just got to let them sit in here. Hopefully about 5 to 7 days they'll start popping out of the soil here. And then we should be good to go. They'll start growing. We're going to start putting a little bit of fertilizer to them. But that will be a video for another time. I want to say thanks for watching up to this point. Y'all have a good day. And you guys have a good one.